So hi everyone. In this question, by using a convex lens, a student obtained a sharp image of his classroom window grill on a screen. Okay, window grill, you understand? He is getting a sharp image. Window grill, just like I will draw the convex lens. Convex lens, just like this. Okay, and this is the principal axis. This is F, 2F, F, 2F. Okay, and this is the optical center. Clear? Now, initially, what they are saying that is a student obtained a sharp image of his classroom window grill on a screen. So he just plays, for example, sharp image. If he is getting, it means that, for example, he has placed a window grill, for example, beyond 2F. Window grill, in a window, there's a window, okay? Some grills are there, like this, like this. This in between that is empty space, okay? Void. This is known as window grill. Window grill. So if object is placed beyond 2F, then image is formed between F and 2F. So if the window grill is just like that, I just consider this is window grill. Then its image will be is if object is beyond 2F, image will be between F and 2F, like this. Sharp image. We are not at all like bothered, magnified, diminished. All those questions we will not encountered here. What is our main objective? Just look at this. This A dash, B dash. Okay, sharp image formed. And this image is formed on a screen. Now, where is the screen? On this screen. This is screen. This is V. Clear? Now, what they are saying, in which direction should he move the grill, not drill the lens to focus a distance T? We are not at all touch. We should not touch screen. Okay, we have to move our lens. In which direction I should move a lens so that I can focus or form a clear sharp image of a distant tree. Distant means tree is at infinite distance. Tree is somewhere else. It is very far. It is very far, up to infinity distance. There is one tree at infinity. We want to focus its image. Now we know that if object is at infinity, u is minus infinity, then 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. If u is minus infinity, then v will be where image formation takes place, at focus, at focal length. Means the distance between the lens and the screen must be equal to focal length. Now it is more than focal length. When you want to focus grill, then this v is more than f. V is greater than f. Okay, but if you want to focus distant tree, then what is the condition like? This v is the separation between the lens and the screen. This is v. So this separation must be equal to f. So in which direction I should move the lens? In the right. When I move this lens in the right or towards the screen, then only I will get the sharp image of a distant tree. Okay, I hope this is clear to you, and this is very important concept. Okay, is it clear? Understood? Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.